Oh my god, you guys, I lost the first half of this clip. I don't know where it is. This is Candy's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And I guess I seen this video in December and I put up my Christmas decoration late, so I'm sorry. But I lost the clip. The only thing I have is a part of her eyeshadow and her lips, lashes, and glow, but I don't have her foundation. Um, her brows, guys, I've been going through my laptop ports isn't working, so I have to see if I can transfer the files via Wi-Fi, and it takes literally days to transfer because my laptop battery, my camera battery keeps on dying, and the ports aren't working for me to plug it up and do it that way. So let's just jump right into this tutorial. First of all, please don't forget to subscribe and also click the notification bell below. So I'm going in with my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. By the way, all the colors on her eyes are from my Juvia's Place palette. I'm just blending out this portion of her eyes so that there's no creasing, and I'm kind of blending the edges already again, sorry, so that it doesn't look too sharp. When the eyeshadows go on top of it, it doesn't stop, but it instead blends and fuses together. Now this what I use is my Shades by Gal shadow magnet. Is like an eyeshadow base and it's white, so that's what I use as the white base that you're seeing here. And every single palette that I use on her is my Juvia's Place palette. You guys know, I don't know if you guys, if you're new to my channel, you don't know, but I had given away most of my makeup, most of my palettes, and I just stuck with Juvia's Place because those are the ones. Oh, and Shades by Gal, because those are the ones, sorry, that were black owned that I had most of. Every other palette I got rid of them. So a little backstory. Yeah, so this is what I'm doing, and this is very self-explanatory, but unfortunately I can't play any more music over my videos because I've been getting emails every single day saying that a copyright claim is on my videos. So I'll be doing a lot of voiceovers, and you have to understand that whenever I'm recording, Jonathan is either up or he's sleeping. It's worse if he's sleeping because I can't record and make noise, you know, and I can't record and whisper because it doesn't go well for the video. So I'm using this color just to blend and fuse the colors together, so I get a really nice blend. I don't know if you guys noticed this with me, but I like using purples and pinks and golds and oranges. I do not know what it is with me. Maybe it's just a personal preference, but I love how it looks on my clients. Candice has is it protruding eyes? Yeah, she has protruding eyes, and it's always a no to put black whenever you're doing protruding eyes, but this eye look, this halo look, works for her eye type. It really does. Now I'm putting on my Inglot eyeliner gel in number 77, and this is after I'm done with her eyes. I've added the necessary amount of black that I wanted to add, and yeah, for her eyelids. Yeah, so I'm just adding my Inglot eyeliner gel with an angled brush, and yeah, that's just what I'm doing. So I'm taking my Shades by Gal, eyeshadow magnet again in light, and I'm putting this in her happy air because I want to add a color there. Now the reason for me doing this is, sorry, it's because I think I made a mistake, and I was like, crap, this is black. How am I going to rectify this without it looking messy? And I was like, I know. Let's put white over that black, and let's go ahead and add, I think it's called Sakota, but it's that nice greenish color from the palette. Yeah, that's the one. And I'm gonna pop it right in her happy area. And problem solved, mistake fixed. You'd have never known I made a boo-boo. Never ever known. So the lashes that I'm using, Sarah and Candice, today is called Stilettos, and they're from my lash line, my Pomi lash line, Pomi by Lyric lash line, and they are exclusively at Fontana Pharmacy online, fontanapharmacy.com, and also Fontana Pharmacy in their stores island wide. So these are the style called Stilettos, and look, it's very difficult for me to put lashes on myself and on clients, and because her eyelashes are curled up, I was like, yep, it will have to do. It will have to do. So now I'm going in with the Buttercup again, and I'm going all over her face because I'm going in with, I think this is Nutmeg from Ben Nye, but it's a Ben Nye powder, and I'm setting the rest of her face because I was like, I did not set your face. What was I doing? So I'm just setting the rest of her face, and then I'll be dusting away the loose powder that you see, which is Sasha Buttercup. I am so mad that the beginning of the video wasn't filmed, but I'm low lighting with my matte cocoa from all dolled up cosmetics, and this is actually the color that I use, and I'm using it to low light her face because in person, let me just say this, in person her makeup is fine, but it's when we turn these lights on and the camera, it really looks washed out. So I have to be adding a lot of definition to her face. And I'm gonna tell you, when I do my friend's makeup, oh my god, we talk about the weirdest things. I just hope none of y'all can read lips, because I mean we went in, honey. So I'm just low lighting her face. What else did I want to say? Yeah, I mean just how I did her brows, because I even groomed her brows on camera for you guys. I did her foundation. I did a different technique when I applying her foundation. You guys, oh my god, it's just really hurting my heart because I have to be going through a lot with these videos. My ports, oh my gosh. Anyway, let's not harp on the bad thing. The point is, the makeup is coming out flawlessly. Her face looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to be using my LA girl. This is a shimmer duo. You guys see, it's wet, not wet, moist, not moist. It's shimmery and it's you guys see the texture. Why can't I find words? So I'm going to apply this, and I think I'll be going in with my inglot. Is my inglot I'm going to use? But I'll be using this, and then I'll be going on top of it. Yeah, with my inglot. So this is my inglot 03. I always use this. But when she tilts her head, you guys are gonna see just how beautiful, I almost said flawless. It sits on her. It looks gorgeous on her. I love doing her makeup. She inspires me so much. Her eye type, her skin, it's, oh god, I love doing her makeup. I feel like I'm turning gay. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with me. But yeah, so for her blush, as usual, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place palette, and this is the masquerade one, and this is what I'm going to be using. Oh, I'm still low lighting her. So I'm mixing all these. Oh no, this is blush, sorry. So I use all those eyeshadows, and I'm going in for her blush. Now I put the pink on last because I wanted it to be a little bit light, because you realize for the eyeshadow I went in with two darker colors, like a brown, like more transitional colors. So I apply the pink eyeshadow last to have a little bit of color there. Sugar kill me for that little clip there. So this is Ooh La La from LA Girl. It's a matte lipstick, and this is Cosmopop from what is Lime Crime, and this is an orangey lipstick. I use this one on Crystal as well, this orangey color, and I'm just, let me tell you, I don't care what anybody says. You can look at her, she hated this color, but then, you know, I made it work. I made it do what it do. But yeah, you can make these colors work for you. I use these colors, the like light nude colors, on two different skin tones. So I didn't like, was this a lip pencil that I used? I should have used the espresso, like a brown. It would have blended way better. But what's going to pop off the blend for this is my the glass bomb. The glass bomb is just going to fuse everything together. It's going to just look nice and nude and gorgeous. And this is the entire look, you guys. I'm so sorry for the missing clips. You guys don't know how much this is bothering me. I almost did not want to upload this video, but I had to, because it looks really good. And I'll be doing Candice's makeup already, and I have been doing her makeup on my channel. So if you search through, you'll see her face again, and you'll see how I do her makeup. But I did it differently this time in terms of the technique and stuff. So I'm having her blend around her lips so everything fuses together. But I love it. So this is the look, you guys, and don't forget to subscribe if you're this far in the video and you have not subscribed. Boo, might as well go on and subscribe, yeah. And don't forget to click the notification bell when you do, so that you can be alert when I upload a video. My classes, my hands-on classes, are December 7th through to the 9th in Tamarack, Florida, and in Kingston, Jamaica, February 9th to the 11th, 2018. Thanks for the support, you guys, and I'll talk to you in the next video.